SOPREMA publishes easy-to-edit guide specifications available in Microsoft Word document file format. These guide specifications are intended for design professionals to modify and incorporate into their contract documents. The SOPREMA guide specification document files are located on the SOPREMA US website. Navigate to www.soprema.us and hover over Documentation and click on Specifications. There are several guide specifications to choose from. SOPREMA publishes guide specifications for roofing, waterproofing, and building envelope systems. Before you select the specification, take some time to review SOPREMA technical manuals, customizable details, and other documentation posted online. This will help you choose the appropriate materials and systems for your project. Let's review the specification process. In this specific example, we will choose an SBS modified bitumen roofing membrane. Let's choose a polyester reinforced base ply and cap sheet, installed using cold adhesive and heat welded application methods respectively. In this example, let's also consider the roof insulation consists of SOPREMA SOPA board, asphaltic cover board, and rigid polyisosanurate insulation mechanically fastened to the steel deck. Let's also select a roof air barrier applied to the steel deck level below the insulation. The specification titles posted online are based on CSI master format numbering. In this example, we will choose section 075216 for SBS modified bitumen membrane roofing. Now let's download the specification document and save the document on our computer. The specification documents were developed to be custom edited to conform to specific project needs. Most edits are made by simply deleting the information that's not needed and keeping the items that are relevant to the project. You will notice some text is in blue font. The blue text is there to emphasize options that require specific selection and editing. Specifications written in CSI master format are broken down into 3 parts. Part 1, General, Part 2, Products, and Part 3, Execution. The CSI format will help guide you through the editing process and help ensure all specification content is effectively covered. The first section under Part 1 is the summary. Use the summary section to briefly outline the work included in this specification section. Edit this section as needed, deleting any items that are not relevant. As we scroll down through the specification, we simply edit the document as needed to meet our project requirements. The performance requirements are edited based on system performance requirements. These include wind uplift resistance ratings, fire classifications, and other performance requirements specified for the system. Part 2, Products, lists all of the SOPREMA SBS modified bitumen membrane products. There are many membrane products listed here. Simply keep the materials you want to specify for the project and delete all the other products you don't need. You will notice as content is deleted, the format and numbering change and conform automatically. Here we will keep the appropriate primer we need for our specification and simply delete the other options. Adhesives and other accessory products that are needed for the project will remain in the specification. Those not needed can be deleted. In Part 3, the execution section describes the fundamental application means and methods for each of the products we choose in Part 2. Once again, we keep the relevant paragraphs and delete the others we don't need. Once we've edited the content, there are a few things we need to clean up. Select all text in a document and change the font color to black. Then remove all highlighting. Next, remove the guide specification watermark from the background. Then save the document. Now section 075216 for the SBS Modified Bitumen Membrane Roofing is ready for your project. Next, for our example, you'll need to download the other specification sections that apply to this project. Section 072200, Roof Insulation, has the content we need to specify the mechanically fastened SOPREMA coverboard and SOPREMA ISO rigid insulation we choose for our example. Section 072713, Modified Bitumen Vapor Retarders, includes the SOPREMA SOPREMA Vapor Retarder Air Barrier we need. We will download and edit this section as well. Let's say we need to include roof metal edge systems for our roofing project. We can add section 076200, Sheet Metal Flashing and Trim, to our project specification package. Section 011000, Summary of Work, is also a handy section to clearly lay out the systems and specification sections included in the specification package for our project. For additional support, contact the Technical Support Department at SOPREMA US, located in Wadsworth, Ohio.